Welcome to the course about marine diesel generators, and now you have to choose between two parts. One is about main diesel generators and another one is about emergency diesel generators. Which you would like to pick now? Which you would like to pick now? This is the part about emergency diesel generator, and I will start with what is emergency diesel generator is actually. So from the name you can clearly understand that this is used in emergency situations like a blackout, for example, when we are losing our production of electricity, when our main propulsion system have failed. And in that cases, normally in normal conditions, the standby generator, which is main generator, should start automatically and take the load on. In case if standby generator fails, then emergency diesel generators should start automatically as well and take the load automatically as well. In case if it fails to start automatically, then we can do it manually as well, and now I will show you how we can make it and what kind of procedures should we make, what should we check, and it is really similar with what we are doing on real vessels. Weekly, every week we are checking that our emergency diesel generator is in a proper working condition, and here you can see the room where emergency diesel generator is located. It's located outside the engine room, which is a SOLAS requirement, and here you can see the generator itself. You can see the tank with diesel oil to supply fuel for our diesel engine, and you can see as well emergency switchboard, which supplies electrical power to our equipment, to our emergency equipment, main equipment, to prepare our main diesel generators later on. You can also see the battery charger. I will tell it about it a bit more later. So first of all, with what we check the level inside the fuel tank. We have to ensure that we have sufficient fuel level inside the tank. As well, we have to drain small amount of liquid inside to ensure that we don't have water inside the tank. And if we do have water, then we have to drain this water, and then we have to fill the tank with the new diesel oil. Then after we have checked it, we also have to ensure that the valve that is supplying our fuel to diesel generator is open. Then we have to check the liquid levels in our engine. So first, what we are going to check is oil level in our diesel engine, and here, as you can see, the oil level is between minimum and maximum marks, so the level is okay. Then what else we should check? We can not do it in this simulator actually, but on real vessel you will do it as well. So here behind the engine you can see the cooling radiator, and there is a cap on top of it which you can open and check the level of cooling liquid. You have to ensure that there is cooling liquid. So how you can start your diesel generator? Emergency diesel generators, according to the SOLAS conventions, must have two ways of starting which are not connected between each other. So here in this simulator we have electrical starter motor with a set of batteries, and as well we have hydraulic pump in case if we cannot start our diesel engine with electrical starting motor, then we can use hydraulic pump. So also to charge our batteries, we have battery charger, and time to time we have to ensure as well that the batteries are charging and batteries are in good working condition. So the easiest way how to start our generator is of course by using our starting motor, the electrical one. And here you can see the control panel of emergency diesel generator. From this panel you can start it. Now we have the operational switch put in automatical mode, so that means that now in case of blackout, in case if all main diesel generators will fail, then this one will automatically start and then take the load on. Now we are choosing manual mode, choosing the manual mode, and now we can start our diesel engine just pressing one button, and now with use of starting motor, now it's working. And after we have started, we can take the load on just really easily by pressing the button generator breaker on emergency switchboard. In case, just for simulation, if we have failed to start diesel engine using our starting motor, the electrical one, now I'll show you how we are using hydraulic pump. So we have two levers here, and by using one we are creating pressure inside the chamber. We have to create the pressure approximately 30 megapascals, and then by pulling second lever you can see that the engine starts to rotate, and we have started. Also on vessels there can be pneumatic starting systems or other mechanical systems. And same, after you have started your diesel generator, you can take the load on just by pressing one button on the emergency switchboard. That's the procedure, that's the end of procedure.
Vehicle loading always open.
Yeah, what's this?
Check level. Always must be full, yeah?
Oh, it's...
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Start. You stay on power. Проверить уровень масла. Check oil level. Check oil level.
Yeah.
We are going to start, yeah? Vehicle loading always open.
Yeah, what's this?
Check level. Always must be full, yeah?
Oh, it's...
Yeah, that's okay. Start. You stay on power. Проверить уровень масла. Check oil level. Check oil level. It's okay, man.
Right. Yeah.
We are going to start, yeah?
Okay. Yep. Okay. Now pressuring. Before we start, what we need to check? How we start? With electrical batteries.
Yeah.
And how we know that batteries are okay?
Battery is okay. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. From automatic mode you have to change manual mode.
Yeah.
And start.
That is the wrong answer. We have a blackout. This is the part about emergency diesel